No More Algae Growth. Controls algae growth in your freshwater aquarium. Leaves aquarium water crystal clear. Inhibits many types of algae, including suspended algae blooms and algae growing on the sides of tanks. No measuring. Use 1 tablet of Jungle No More Algae Tank Buddies per 10 gallons 40 L of aquarium water. For regular maintenance. When used for regular maintenance, use once per month. Repeat treatment when algae growth begins to appear. Contains 8 treatment tablets. Top reviews from the United States. Great for your air handler too. Not only does this work great with the fish tank, but we had an issue with our air handler drain clogging up with algae, and this solved our problem in less than an hour. We now put 2 tabs into the bottom tray of our air handler in humid months to combat any algae which might grow and clog our drainage system. No more water on the ground. We've been using this so much lately that we ended up putting it on our Subscribe Save subscription. Worth every penny.